calling in, come on in. I hope you guys are having a good start to your week. It is Tuesday, October the 11th. It is Tuesday, October the 11th, and I am doing a surprise weekday show. As you guys know, I typically do shows on Saturdays, but today I had some time, blocked my calendar off, and I said I was going to go live this Tuesday. So what are we going to be talking about today, guys? We're going to be talking about a couple of things. One, we're going to start off with me highlighting the success of clients of mine, also Patreons, who have gotten into tech sales. They have joined the tech sales phenomenon, guys. They have joined the bag chasers, the ladder climbers, whatever you want to call it. They have joined the crew. And I wanted to highlight these individuals because they followed the process, they put in the work, and they got the ultimate outcome. They followed the process, they put in the work, and they got the ultimate outcome. We're also going to be talking about quiet quitting, guys. Are quiet quitters average? You know, one of the things that I haven't done yet was to give my full perspective on quiet quitters. Now you're going to hear it. You're going to hear what I have to say about my thoughts on quiet quitters. You're going to hear my thoughts on quiet quitters. That's what you're going to hear. Also, we're going to talk about layoffs. Layoffs continue to happen. Walmart is laying off 1,500 workers, transforming the warehouse. So many of you guys who are in the warehouse, working the warehouse, tired of that sort of work, you need to think about a new career and what other opportunities that exist out there for you. There are tons. There are tons that are in sales. There are tons that are in tech. There are tons that are in healthcare. You need to find your path. You need to find your path to get to the bag. And we're going to talk about Walmart laying off 1,500 workers, transform the warehouse. So that's job elimination for warehouse workers. And last, we're going to talk about $1 million salaries, guys. Yes, in tech, you can be getting paid over $1 million, and you don't have to be at the executive level. You don't have to be at the executive level. Many of you are probably like, what is he talking about? Well, I'm telling you the truth, and I'm going to show you some data that shows that there are positions that are out there at specific companies that are paying people $1 million salaries. $1 million salaries. That's life-changing, guys. That's life-changing. And it all starts with the skills that you have, the education that you have, and you pursuing a career that is lucrative. Not getting a basket weaving degree, not getting a anthropology degree, political science degree with no plan. If you get those types of degrees, you won't be even entertaining some of these roles that we're going to be talking about today. Okay, so that's to many of you guys who are choosing to go to college right now. If you are going to college, make sure you go to college for the right things. And the things that you're going to see here in these high salaried, high paid positions, these are the types of roles that you should be looking into, and then also map that back to a career field or a college degree program. Okay, let's start off first with this. I like to highlight the ladder climbers who are doing some fantastic things. That's what I like to do, guys. I love to highlight the ladder climbers who are doing some fantastic things, and I love to just talk about people's success because it's motivating, it's engaging, it's addicting. It is, you know, a transfer of energy to people who want to get to it as well too. When you show people that you have clients that believe into you and listen to you and follow your process and ultimately get the outcomes they want, it feels good, to be honest with you. It feels good, but also for them, it means that they can share that same success with other people to help them grow within their lives as well too. So as I give and help other individuals get to their ultimate career success, they're going to be doing the exact same thing sometime in their life. And also, not only that, they're going to be telling other people so I can continue to get clients. I was having a conversation last night with a client of mine, and they were asking questions about, you know, what are some of the things that I enjoy about sales and the career and the things that I do. And one of the things that I said was I love to give back. I love to give back and love to give free information. Why? Because it helps people, and ultimately, it puts money in your pocket if you're able to help people. No different than sales. If you're able to help somebody, if you're able to help people, it puts money in your pocket. But off of me, we're going to shine the light on individuals because I like to show results. I like to show receipts. I like to show results and what other no other place than you can go to share results. LinkedIn. If you do something in your career, start a new position, want to get hired, you got to use LinkedIn. Get promoted, you got to use LinkedIn. Show your receipts. LinkedIn is a place to show your receipts. And let me share with you what I'm showing, let me share with you what I'm showing you right now. I am sharing with you a client, a Patreon member of ours, whose background is in data analytics. He came to me earlier this year and said, Antoine, I've been watching your videos. I really want to fast track my career. 24-year-old, handsome young man, get into the bag already. You know, but I ultimately want to get to a point in my life where I'm making hundreds of thousands of dollars, and ultimately I want to start my own business. This data analyst stuff is perfect. However, I think I need to gain additional skills. And how can I gain additional skills, Antoine? I want to get into sales like you. So what did I do? I said, Jason, you're fresh out of college. You got a nice degree, nice job. I said, initially, go down the path of being technical. He's like, Antoine, you know what? I hear you. And that was my path originally. But I really want to try sales. Antoine. I said, all right, I got the partner for you. I partnered with Course Careers earlier this year. They have a tech sales introduction course to help you become an SDR, BDR, sales development rep, business development rep. Jason signed up for the course the same night, took action. He took action, guys. Unlike many people who say they're going to do stuff and don't do it. Jason signed up directly after we get off the phone. Not only that, he booked more coaching sessions right away. He signed up for Course Careers. The next thing you know, he's in a class. Next thing you know, he graduates. He graduated and he set up a call with me when I was in Aruba for a President's Club. I was like, all right, I'll find some time for you, Jason. He's like, Antoine, you know what? I just graduated. Put my certification out there. Got 2 jobs lined up already, or 2 interviews lined up already. I just need your help. I need your help in order for me to make sure I make a best impression in these job interviews. Walk them through it. Coach them. He's already a good-looking dude, smart, very articulate, great teeth, great mind. He already had all those things going for him. Coached him up. He got a job at a company that does data analytics as a sales development rep. They flew him out to Washington, D.C. He made such a good impression on them. He got the job. So shout out to brother Jason for putting in the work and getting the desired outcome. I'm proud, guys. I'm very proud when I see things like this because it's like I'm a big brother, right? Jason is like, I don't know, 12 years younger than I am, but he looks at me as a mentor and a coach, and he trusts the process. Now, he's getting to that bag on his way. And he says, he leaves a message. I want to thank Troy and Antoine for helping me with this journey in tech sales. That's results, guys. That's results. You can tell people, people can talk about all the things that they do, but if nobody validates you that you are helping people achieve their success, nobody cares. That's why we use LinkedIn. On the same day, let's switch topics. Another client of ours, brother Cameron Pritchett out of Houston, said, Antoine, you know what? I've been doing teaching for a very long time. Teaching in Houston as a public school teacher, making decent money. Nothing wrong with being a public school teacher. Absolutely fine. Did sales early on in his career. It's like, didn't know if I really liked it or not. And Antoine, you piqued my interest with this whole tech sales thing. I said, Cameron, you want to get into tech sales, sign up for Course Careers. He said, Antoine, I'm going to trust you. I said, thank you. And call me, reach out whenever you need some advice, some guidance, and so forth. Become part of the Patreon so you can be part of the community of ladder climbers. Cameron invested into Course Careers, graduated Course Careers, had a little bit of fear, didn't know what this was going to be like, filled out 3 applications, was upset that he didn't get callbacks. I said, increase the volume, Cameron. 2 weeks later, he had 4 or 5 interviews. Now he's posting on LinkedIn that he has a job in tech sales as an inside sales rep at Angie. Big company. It's just a start, guys. It's just a start. Now that you're in the door, you can ladder climb and get to that big bag. Of course, you're going to have to get the results and prove yourself, but you're there. And Cameron transitioned from a teacher a teacher. So if you're thinking about transitioning into tech, there are many ways for you to do it. In the description of this video, you will find none other than Master IT Key, another partner of ours that will help you get the certifications that you need in order for you to enter the tech space. If you want to get into tech sales, I partner with Course Careers. I believe in the product and the services. I only partner with people who offer great products and services. Master IT, Course Careers, Google, link in the description. If you want to get in tech sales to have the success, link in the description. Link also in the channel comments, chat section. Check it out. Success stories, guys. And this happens just about every day. I'm gonna brag on myself. This happens just about every day. Got a text message from my good brother yesterday, my good brother Marvin that I often talk about, entered tech sales 3 months ago. He's already on his way to promotion to an AE. Went from making just shy of $44,000. Now he's doing 87 and on his way to 100 plus. If you want to change your career, I'm telling you, tech is there for you. Tech is there for you. If you want to change your career, tech is there for you. No excuses. Put in the work. Hire a coach. If it's me, you can book a consultation. www.blkheights.com. Click on coaching or career empowerment session, whatever you want to call it. We're open to work with you. You may not have the guidance. You may not know where you want to go. Book a coaching session. If you don't need a coaching session, sign up. Master IT Key, Course Careers. Success is here, guys. Success is here. Success is here. You see it. You see it. Jason, Cameron, it's out there. It's out there. I get these all the time. Thank you. Thank you, Antoine. Thank you. That's how you know you in the great. Well, that's how you know you also have found your calling and your passion too, when you enjoy helping others achieve success. From getting a new job to 43% raises to 17% raises to 100% raises. It's what I do. Help you get to the money, because I'm getting to the money. Let's get to the money, guys. Money is out here for all of us. Let's get to it. It's out here for all of us. You just got to put in the work, though. You have to put in the work. I wanted to highlight those gentlemen. Jason, Cameron, round of applause, brothers, for putting in the work, trusting the process, and getting it done.